Hi and welcome to the Tradebox video for installing Tradebox for first time users. So this video will walk you through how to download Tradebox, install it, how to create an account to use the software. Before we get started, a bit of housekeeping. The first thing we would ask you to do before looking to install Tradebox is come into the settings on your PC, go to the Windows Update option and make sure that your PC has all of the Windows updates up to speed and installed. When you're happy that you have all of your Windows updates installed, reboot your PC. This is going to allow Tradebox to install SQL Server on your PC smoothly without problems. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to come to our website, tradebox.co.uk, and click on the support button at the top of the screen. This is going to take you to our help centre, and if you go to the installation and getting started box and choose installing Tradebox 1. So this is a step-by-step article that I can walk you through installing Tradebox, and also you can follow this video. The first thing that we're going to talk about is compatibility. So Tradebox works with Windows 10 and 11 and can also be installed on Windows Server from Windows Server 2016 onwards. There are some recommended settings for the PC this is going to get installed on. We would definitely recommend RAM 8 gig or higher. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is register for an account. This is going to create your logon credentials for the application and allow you to log into the software and use the software for 2 weeks on a free trial. And the trial is fully supported as well. So if we come to this part of the article, click on this link. This will take you to our license portal, populate the information in the screen. The email and password that you use will be the email and password that you're going to use to log into the application when you've installed it onto your PC. Once you've filled this form in, click on register. It will send you an email that you'll need to click on the link in the email to confirm the account. Okay, so that is the logon details set up. Back to Tradebox to support installation, get started, install Tradebox 1. So we scroll down a little bit further through this article, past the register for a user account, and we'll get into the install Tradebox 1. Click on this link, and this is going to download the installer to your downloads folder on your PC. Okay, so after this is installed, either just click on the link here or go to your downloads folder on your PC and click on the installer. Okay, often this window will pop up. Just click to more information, click on run anyway, and then walk through this wizard. Agree to the license agreement and install. Okay, tick the box to launch the program, click on finish. Okay, this takes us to the first setup. We're going to click on next and install Tradebox for the first time. This is going to install SQL Server onto your PC. This does take a little bit of time, so I'm going to use a bit of time compression in this video. Click on next. Okay, at this point, this will pop up, click on OK, and it's going to ask you to reboot Tradebox. So just search for Tradebox on your PC. And then we're back to this screen. Let's click on Next. Okay, when it gets past initializing data, click on Next, and then fill your details out here. Place your email in here, and then from this drop down list choose which country in the United Kingdom that you reside in. This is to do with VAT rules on Northern Ireland. Okay, choose the accounts package you want to integrate with. I'm going to choose Sage 50. Accounts postings can be manual or automatic. I would highly recommend when you start using the software, choose manual to begin with, and then we can move on to automatic as we go forward. Choose your tax rate, so I'm going to choose standard rated, and where you want the stock control to reside. So most people do actually choose the account software. as the master stock control. This allows you to pass your stock levels from your account software directly up to your listings if you choose to do this. And then place your VAT number in the box, click on next. Okay, agree to the data service. This is the process that does all of the connecting to your marketplaces, downloading your orders, posting them across to your account software. And click on finish. Okay, at this stage you'll be seen with the logon screen. Enter the email and password that you've created. And then this will ask you if you want to run the service. Say yes. Okay, and that is the software installed on your PC. If you right click on the icon on the bottom of your screen, you can pin that to your taskbar. And then in the channels section, this is where you start creating connections to marketplaces that you wish to download orders from. To assist you within that, if you go back to our website, click on support, go to integrations guides, and then you have integration guides for all of the different websites and integration guides for all of the different marketplaces that we integrate with. If you need any assistance during the 14-day trial, you can just click on the contact Tradebox button in the top right hand corner. That will generate a ticket, fill in a ticket, click on submit, and that'll get into our workflow and we can get back to you as soon as possible. Also within Tradebox, we've just launched the new marketplace, and the marketplace is a list of all of our trusted partners that have offers to Tradebox users. Okay, thanks for watching.